what's up? This is Joanna from Glasspirits.
Hello, this is Abe from Glasspirits.
And I recently just came back from my trip to Arizona to visit the Gretsch Guitar World Headquarters, where I got this baby, this Gretsch Firebird, custom modified so it can sound like both a guitar and bass at the same time. The reason that I did that and requested that was because Abe and I play in this two-piece band, and it's just us, so we want to sound as full as possible, have a wide spectrum of sound, and having this guitar modified by the one and only Joe Carducci has helped us so much, and the way he did it provided a lot of flexibility. And so I'm just going to go and demo some parts of it real quick. So here's the guitar in kind of the guitar mode, where it's going to run through my pedals and then through a guitar amp. Okay, so now I'm going to flip this switch. It's going to activate one of the pickups, and it's going to go out through a octave pedal and to our bass amp. And I should say in that setting it also goes through the guitar amp and the guitar effects pedals as well. So here it is again. So I'm alternating between the two settings faster using this switch. So without the bass sound, knob that mixes the sound. Okay, so that, I hope that gives you a pretty good idea. I'll play a little riff from one of our songs, Charlize. Let me see. Without the bass sound. And now combined with the bass sound. Okay, so hopefully that gives you a good idea about what our setup is. Whenever we play shows, we get that question asked a lot. Where's your bassist? How do you get that sound? You know, we confuse a lot of people. Now you know. If you have any questions, please write them in the comments or hit us up on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Our info will be in the description. Now, Abe and I are going to play a little bit of Charlize, but before we do that, I wanted to ask, Abe, what do you think of this?
I think it's great, phenomenal. We wouldn't have our sound without that. That completes it.
Okay, awesome. So thanks so much to Gretsch and Joe Carducci for helping us out.
Yeah,
and
Joey, thank you.
Yeah, woo! So now we're going to play a little bit from one of our songs off our album Mysteries of Rhythm. The song's called Charlize. We're going to provide a link to our music video in the description as well. So check that out. Thank you so much. And here we go. We're just going to play a little riff.